If you want your WordPress site to look just like the beautiful demos you see online, importing theme demo data is the secret. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to quickly and simply import WordPress theme demo data, even if you're brand new to WordPress. By the end, your site will have that polished look and feel, with all the sample pages, images, and layouts ready for you to customize. So let's dive right in. First, let's open up WordPress. This is your site's control center where all the magic happens. If you're logging in for the first time, just type in your website's address followed by /wp-admin and enter your login details. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard, a hub with all your site's tools at your fingertips. Now, let's head over to the left-hand menu and click on Appearance. This section is really where you control the look and personality of your website. Think of it like choosing the outfit your site wears. It's all about style and presentation. Under Appearance, you'll see Themes. Go ahead and select that. Here's where you can see all the themes you've already installed and where you can add new ones. To import demo data, you first need the theme itself, so at the top, click on Add New Theme. You'll notice lots of themes you can browse. But if you've already downloaded a theme file, you'll need to upload it manually. So click Upload Theme. This lets you add your own theme file, usually in zip format that you've found online from theme marketplaces or designers. Click on Choose File. This will open up a window from your computer, just like when you're attaching a photo to an email. Find the theme zip file you downloaded. Sometimes this requires a little digging in your Downloads folder, so take your time. Once you've found it, click Open. This step just selects it. It hasn't installed yet. Now click the Install Now button. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the theme, this part might take a few moments, so hang tight. It's normal for bigger themes to take a minute, especially if they include lots of sample content. When the installation finishes, WordPress gives you the option to activate the theme. Go ahead and click Activate if you want your site to start using this design immediately. If you're just testing it out or want to activate it later, you can always come back here. Now with the theme activated, many modern WordPress themes will prompt you to import demo data. This process loads all those captivating layouts, images, and pages you saw in the demo. Usually there's a big button saying Import Demo Data under the theme options. Or sometimes it's within a companion plugin provided by the theme developer. If you see that option, click it and let it work its magic. This step may take a few minutes, since it's building your site to match the demo's style. Don't worry if it feels slow, that's totally normal, and that's it. Your site should now look just like the demo. You can start customizing it, swapping images, changing text, and making it your own. If you didn't see an import option, check your theme's documentation. You might need to install a helper plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy website building.